Let's first start with the she sop, okay? And Kiranjo Negi vocal line, Kiranjo judge in a degree. Let's have the track, please. If you know the song, then you can sing with me. Long man in the tongue and देखा ज़माना सारा भरम है इश्क इबादत इश्क करम है मेरा ठिकाना तेरी ही दहलीज़ है मैं हूँ दीवारे छत है पिया तू रब की मुझे नीमत है तुझको ढूंढ ले कि 100 जन्म भी देखती हो तेरा रास्ता जो भी है सब मेरा तेरे हवाले कर दिया जिस्म का हर रुबां कैसा लगा? See, New York has seen my growth. Since 2009, nga she thang o tang do gala, nga she ki chau tang gora thume. And if she tang ye sawa dingja gala pengye pu lo chunga chorna, if you're scared, learn something from me. Someone who started singing dam mara dam nita danda tere hawale kar diya. You can grow. But I also want to thank someone really special tonight. There were a lot of few people who helped me come on stage. Birthday party, funeral. And one of them who actually convinced me to come and perform tonight is Sidamala Chashuk Chesta. So she's right here. She's been like my godmother as a singer. Moram Mena, I have never been able to expose myself to the Tibetan community. So Siramala, Tarik Dingja, Diguri, thank you. Thank you. Alright. Tanga mic dila, I want to say Kollegal, Choppa, Suina, Kiranzo, Taring sound system chichari chidwa. Chummeshwari Resha, beautiful sound system. So give a round of applause to all the sound guys right there. Chashuk, very nice, beautiful. Also artists, it's very important, we need some good sound system. Let's test the mic. So ngara she yang yo sop shtangi ba di mic test share da ni mic di Kiranzo pass tang do kin sama nyam do chini kin sama ke rapor ngi ha ge chik chik dong ba sama tar ke ap to ho sama dong ma nde. And we she tang do I really want you all to take out your flashlights and put it on air because I'll put it on my Instagram. I'll put this video on my Instagram. So I really want, when the chorus comes, everyone turn on your flashlights. Okay, DJ, let's have the track, please. Come on. And if anyone is good at your camera skills, the performance, the capture, private part, all right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Can you hear me at the back? Yes? All right, great. This is for all the lovers in the house tonight. From one heartbroken person to you. Sath sath aisa koi noor flashlights in the air now. If anyone is capturing, turn to the audience. Come on. Sing with me. Louder, Kollegal. Oh my God, so beautiful. दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें तेरी हवाएं हैं. Thank you. Oh my God, thank you so much, Kollegal. This is beautiful. So without any further ado, I want to sing a song that defines Yeshi Khando. Let's sing the next track, please. Are you ready to dance with me? You want me to come down and dance with you guys? Chalo, chalo, track chala do bhai. Me kang makari kari thomu de. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go New York. Let's go. Everybody sing. Cha 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 cha. How's everyone doing tonight? Oh my God! You got Somalo! Everybody put your hands up! Let's go now, come on! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! We got it! Let's go, everybody! Disco Divane! Are you having fun? Disco नशीली है रात हाथों में हाथ नाचे सितारा अच्छा शुक्रिया for her सुंदर बदन चंचल बदन सबने नाचे गाए disco everybody come on all you guys Lord in New York Sing! Cha, 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 cha. Everybody in the house tonight, whether you are young, whether you are old, it doesn't matter. Age doesn't matter. As long as you are young and hot. Somebody everybody stand up! Thank you. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Disco day. Hey, disco. No. Aap Jaisa Koi is not my song. Anyone can sing it. But Yeshi Khando sings it in a different style. DJ, let's have the last track, my last performance for tonight. I want to thank Kollegal. Can we have the track, please? My final song, Tujhe Che. Thank you. Ready? C'est moi, c'est une lèche, all right, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Yeshi Khando. Thank you so much.